In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix failed to install Battleye service in PUBG and Fortnite. So first thing you can do is you want to go to this PC and then local C, program it 86, then common files. Go to common files, and once you see Battleye, right click and then delete it. If you can't delete it, then go to taskbar and then make sure you exit any game that you are in. So if you're in Epic Games or Steam, exit it. So open this tab and make sure you exit Epic Games, Steam, Fortnite, PUBG. If you're running any game or any launcher, just exit it by right clicking and then clicking exit. So for example, here you can see exit. Just make sure you exit it and do the same here. So if you see Fortnite or PUBG, make sure you right click and then end task. After this, you want to go here under details and do the same thing. If you see Steam or Epic Games, just right click and then click end process tree. Just find any folder. You can search for it if you want to find it faster. Just type the name. So once you do this, you can try to uninstall this and you should be able to do it. But if you are still unable to do it, then you can go here, close this down, and then go to control panel. Then go to programs and features. Now over here is you want to go down and just find the game that you're having the issue with. So if it's Fortnite, you need to right click on Fortnite and then uninstall. If it's whatever game it is, if it's like Fortnite, just right click and then uninstall the game and try to reinstall it over again. And then the next thing you want to do is go here and type in Windows security. Go to virus and threat. Then here go to manage settings and turn off real-time protection. And then you want to go back here, go to app and browse. Then here you'll see reputation-based settings. Then you're gonna see one that says check apps and files, so disable this one as well. So once you do this, you can just close this down and then try to restart your computer, and this should fix the issue.